Watching this boat here. So yes guys, this is Street Spearfishing and Adventure. Today we outside with Captain Quarters earlier. And the man called Joshua. Today is all about having a good time, pulling a little fish. You don't know the scene. A beautiful weather. We're on a flat bottom boat. What size of boat is this? A 16 feet, 17? A 17 feet flat bottom, and we outside. We're here with the call it the hard. We outside on the hard. So yeah, I'll take in this video, I'll enjoy it. And yeah, we're going to tell you, rock back, kick back on. Right. Men going down, Joshua going down, Captain Quarters going down. The captain now. Let's see this man pulling real fish today. Let's see him in my previous videos. Saying that old man can real pull fish. The man good. That's why out there. Watch. You see that shade there? And the man now jumping there. That's why out there with him. That's why taking a little chance. Watch. That's why taking a little chance with the flat bottom, you know what I mean? Could be a little far. Yeah people, let's see what's going on. Stay tuned, I'm going to send down here. What's going on out there? What's going on? I tell you, the man train right now. I don't feel it's dying now. Don't feel it's that now. I don't feel it's that now. Yeah. Don't feel it's that now. Kufan. They call it Kufan. It's a cousin to Rakano. What you say? What are you putting this? I want to put it in Nakular. To the sun? Watch people. Yeah, Kuban. Pull out Kuban. First fish in the cools. Quarters. Bring him Quarters. Let me see what he have here. Oh, good. You have a nice catfish there. With the catfish man I come. We gotta throw back the catfish man I come. Alright, let's see what's going on so far. Alright, we outside here with the boat name? Aviana. We outside here with Avia. On the Avia with Captain Quarters. So yeah, vibes going nice so far. Tide coming up, so you know, one bite. So we hope for the best. Quarters, bring him Quarters. Let me see what it is, man. Samo. Grunt. One time. Wow, fall hook too. Bring him Quarters. Catfish chocolate hard there, boy. Let's see what it is. Something bigger. Yeah, the gaff there. Yeah, the gaff. Now we all gaff for? A nice crooks. Yeah man. Yes man. Right people, let's see what's going on there. Too much. Playing too much. Okay, the jail is this by catfish bullet, nice. So good. easy on these catfish. These catfish, them dangerous. Pick at them chuckle, you know what's going on. Bring him, Koto. Bring him. It is. Catfish, yeah, that size. And now pull nice. Bring him. Bring him. Bring someone. Bring someone. Kuban. Kuban, come here. See what it is. Grantos. Grantos. Come here. Hey boy! Hey boy! Hey! Samos! Come here boy, come here, watch it. Come here boy! Where you going? Why don't you now? Why don't you? Bring him through, Josh. Bring him, Josh. Hey, pull any boat there? 8 hours later. Bring him, bring him, bring him. Put him outside and take him out. Joshua needs second fish, a catfish. Nice man, Joshua. Bring him photos. See what that gaff come out. You know what's going on. Hey, bring him, bring him. Roast up, roast. Yeah, now the gaff in it. And eat. Man, I eat pie in the mouth. Come on. Fileza. And now we don't say the name and I forget the name. Come here. Hey! 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 Oh good! Hey! 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 Oh yeah, talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all. Yeah, right. What, mate? Shut. Watch it. That is it. A nice red fish, right? This size now. Size of cover your eyes, sir. Watch. Let me see. You even know you pull off fish yet. Josh! What is this? God. Oh God. Yeah, when we talk catfish, we talk good fish. We can't complain about that. You see that? Cat mango? What you get? Pull him up. So yes people, we're moving to Macha Catfish. We're in second location, now pull up anchor. So yeah, catch you and reach. Reach on this second location. Alright, we're gonna throw down. Let's see what we get here. Bring him on the second spot. Bring him. Hey! Crow. Fishing good with this man here. Only had a phone camera. Oh good! On the second spot. This man here. All on the charter this boat. Only 2 men allowed in this vessel. I'll check him out. I'll contact me now, man. I'm a boss a shot for you. 2 men allowed. And the captain, 3 all there. Another bad. The man know the area. The man know it good. Pull. Let me see. Hey, Karan grass. Joshy. Oh, you kiss that fish straight back and get locked by. Video tip and all the fish. Yay! I see that fish. I see it. Me never the camera pick it up. But I got action. Only action on the Avia. Bring him, boy. Bring him. That is it. Fish on. And I know drop him back. Hey! What? Are the police same thing? We watch out, he get by. Watch. Real game out, tell ya. Game like that. On the Avia. Come on, bite. Ah, de cula looking fresh. Yeah? But I make a 3 hours movie and I the same fish down here already. Yeah, what? You can bring him. Yellow crow. Bring him quarters. Bring him. Nak ke Bali ah? Tell me, what do you got? Yeah? Oh wow. Yeah people action here. Look, right there's the game. Make load. Yeah. See this fish? Ah, very good. Picker. That's 3 pearls. This is a nice fish. I see all your vein in your hand pull up. That is a nice fish. Ever see that fish? Hey! Red nose. Red. Hey. Bring him, Josh. Yeah, no, not redfish. Our next redfish. We on it. Hey, any more down here? Josh. People, real fun on this vessel here. Real Jones. I see. Yeah, I see how you pull out there. I know you pull it. I know how you pull. Come here. Were you holding it? Same thing, mate. Nah, mine bigger. Don't say big one. Mine bigger, I told ya. You know? Our redfish. Think the roast, mate. Yeah, buy that roast? Why, that is the best roast. Now I say, that's full good, mate. Yeah, man. Nice one. Hey. Come in nice size, man. See this fish? This fish are here. Bring him. I'll catch it on camera. I don't feel like I catch it. Hey, boy. Nice. Feel in you. Karan gas. Nice. Action, Anna. Chuff. Wait, you catch it. Look off mine, dog. Any boat smaller. Hey. You know that? Sapate. Yeah, use this. That's not fine. Take that. That's a fish. Grass. Hey, boy. Hey. Oh, good. Cha. Get licks. Daddy want it out, Joe?
Stay. Asia side.
Hey! 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 What?
May jual mo na nasa
Yeah, big chuff, boy, only pulling so much chuff, boy. Not that chuff, not that chuff. Not this wrongs. 1, 2, 3 chuff, I pull back the back then, Josh. Oh, the next one. One by one the coming. Now long me pull fish side is way, pull in fish like that now. Easy. One by one. There's good frying size too, so be mine. Just feeling big. That's what I'm feeling big. Ish. Big ish. Good size. Bring in flow. Auto. That's that. Where's it now? See what's going on here? Fresh. See what's going on here? May not work. People, Pilau, and we fishing, and we fishing on the toad now. Joshua, I'm there. Eating too? Joshua, pick up Pilau like Who cooked this Pilau? The wifey? Big up the wifey. Yeah, this is good. I got the camera, the pull back the camera. Bring him. Big salmon. Big redfish. Whoa! That is it. What's it now? Life can get better than this, boy. Pilau, redfish, sting, we the sea. A man streamer now. Bring him. Yeah. Karan. Oh, that Karan. When we done? Yeah. When we done it, you go take your lunch break? Hello, can we there? Huh? People. I've been in net here, watch. Come on, bring him. That biggest I see, yeah? I think so, yeah. I doubt I see bigger than that. Yeah? But if all we catch like that would be that side, that'd be good.
This size of the bottles now.
Slice the cover your rice. Break done. Run grey. Grey. I bait you tease now. Let's stop a man of fishing to cut bait. Now by Joshua way. You catch out catching man. Man catching. Cut bait right? But that whole line is that? Huh? Whole line Back to back, chuff, right now. Chut. Bring him. Antro boy. Antro B boy. That is it. Get some more for my man. Get some more. Meanwhile, chuff. Yeah, no, like good size. Just like that. You keep bringing them that size, man. Ancho there? Ancho? Nice ancho. Ancho bean. Josh. What is? Carrot? Bring him. Redos. What? Yeah. I got him. Get it now. Put them key in trouble anyway. That is a big one. Hey! Come on, man. You're better than that. That is it. Red. Get that. Oh, raise up. And the biggest fish ever catch in your life. Now you can say catch a fish. Alright, don't even call them at it. Alright, not bad. This one looking red. This one looking red. A nice mutton snapper. Nice mutton. Shut. Two red fish back to back. Yeah. This man cutting bait. He stopped cut bait, yes? What a red fish.
Come on.
Oh God. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Bring it up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, boy. Bring it. Oh God. Caught fish, boy.
Yes, sir. Take it there. Bring it.
Caught fish, boy. Hey. What shit you man? Hey. I can down fish now, boy. I can down fish now. I can go. Bro. What pilot? What come back by? What fish by? The come back by? Sapate. Hey, I realize that next caught fish here, you know that sapo? But I making that tail watch. I making fillet. Your line it too? I don't pull. Fish, and I'm there. Wait. Touch it. Leave it now. I cut my line, man. Your line good. My lines are real thin line. That'll look good if you don't gaff it, man. Gaff it. Bring him inside. Hey! Hey, that fish will be self. Hey! Pull him. Fuck him up now, man. Like first time you catch a big fish. Pull him on, I get. Hey! I don't get prawns. I see it. You're real prey. Hey, I never see a prey so much, right? Come now, bring it close to the camera now. Let me see the size. Hey, that's not dog. That's not. I'll come back to you. Let's see camera. I'll show the camera now, man. Yeah, bring it closer. Watch him. Mutton snapper.
Nice to
How you feeling?
On the avian.
That is it. On the Avia. Proper thing.
Only on the avian.
Yeah, only on the Avia. Hey! 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 Hey, boy! Hey! Only on the Avia, boy! Yeah, over here, you know? Bring a redfish, you coast them at the redfish. Watch. You coast them at the redfish, watch. Hey!
Both of them sweet.
Hey! What's up on here? Talk to me nice, boy. Only on the Avia, boy. Watch it, boy. Watch it. Let's see it. Huh. Yes, boy. Yeah, don't get my talks, boy. I tell you, my talks are coming back for you, boy. Yeah? It's competition, you know? You get ready, man. Yes, people. What's going on? Phone ringing and thing. Ancho! Only on the Avia, boy. Come on, again, and eat. What's it? Chop, big this, chop it. Big. That pull nice too, eh? Chop. Big one, like my, pull it. There's only some and I will let Great night. Pretty fish, wife. Pretty fish. I don't know what's that can. They live in that grass. It's not fully formed yet. Oh God, I really have here. But how fatty belly they are. Joshua feeding them on there.
Yeah, I don't fish on anymore.
Yeah. You see this size, something is good size to fry. Yeah. They hold up a little bit then. Come on. Right in, come on then. What kind of fish? Yeah, see that pulling it. Okay, yes. Action by. Crow. Right? You like that one, huh? Crow. What we talking about? Over the rail and in the bale. People, action still going on. Shit. Bring him quarters. Bring him. Crocker looks. Nice crocker. Nice crocker. Nice size. Yeah, nice size. Oh, come on. Chuff. Nah, don't say that. Nah. That all. What the fuck you belly them there? Sorry about that, look here. What's your grade 9? Hey! How many players is it? Bring him. Doubles?
Wala channel.
See when that catfish started to come? Bring him, bring him. Bring him. Hey, they get big on, right?
Like this size, nice.
Yeah, this pull nice too.
You know them fish sweet too.
Yeah, them fish real sweet, boy.
I don't want to eat them. My way to clean them fish.
Serious?
Yeah, that's another eat them.
Yeah, I love to eat that fry, boy.
That is one of the sweetest fish you have.
Bring him! Keep that! Oh, God! Oh, great! I tell you, do about great for me, boy.
Yeah.
Hey, do about great for me, boy. You see, Captain Potters? We passed that grade, boy. We wait every next episode, boy.
We passed grade 9, boy. Yeah. We passed grade 9.
Yeah? We wait every next episode to start. Now we wait.
Yeah.
You understand? You understand? We catch fish with more bait on it. What's the bucket? But the vibe nice. Some high winds, but see what? Captain Quarters waiting for the next episode. Beat out our level. Hey! Watch that, boy! 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 Put your head by that fish hook. Let me see the size. Onioni? Avia. Not avia, Navia. Watch it, people, watch it. Nice fish. This is going to be an epic video. This whole video is catching fish. Grade 9. Hey! You want this? Leave it? You want it? Make sure I get it. Come here. With teeth.
Grade 5.
So yes, people, finish, cool our fish. We're going back to land. So we're going on bad waters. Bad waters. Small boat walking. That's what's going on here. What? Small boat walking. Flat bottom boat, people, we're outside. What's going on? Yes, that's it. We only have here. people, we come up a little beach here. Captain say Macdum. We come to take a little fresh, relax breeze out there, don't know. So stay tuned. Check it out now. Check out the boat we was on earlier.
Not right through you get this coffee.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So it's not mud or anything like that?
No, this is just like the bark from the tree.
The bark and thing from the tree? Right.
Just like the bark from the mangrove.
Nice.
They call it the coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
So I get some information.
Yeah, so this is not really, it come like when you go Manzalena or whatever and you get the seaweed.
Yeah.
You understand?
Right.
They come like this. Yeah.
Nice.
Not every time.
So that clean?
Yeah.
You can bathe in that?
Yeah. This is it.
The black is nice, beautiful sun.
Yeah, you can see in the shore that the pure white.
Yeah. What do you think about it? First time you come in here?
Yeah.
Me myself.
This is one of the beaches that neglect for years because, you know.
Okay, you only could access it for boat.
Yeah, we grew up with this. This is Macdum.
Oh. So the people them from the area go know here?
This is supposed to be one of the most ecosystem in Uganda.
Yeah. Nice man. Yeah, I could camp here. Plenty mosquito repellent, but nice white sand, people.
This was a big shoreline in it.
Macdum, right? Yeah, Macdum. And we just come out to just take a little fresh. Boys don't want to come and take a bait, so you know. After nice fishing vibes, come out to take a nice little fresh. The guys them there. Actually, beautiful weather now. Like Maracas, yeah, why?
Yeah.
So people just gonna take a 5 minutes, 10 minutes bait. So yeah, let's see what's going on. Beautiful. Nice. And nice little channel here, yeah? Side is cool and nice, right? Okay, so I catch it up one. Oh, it's there. Which I know it's there. But a small man. Look the plate there. The small, eh? Let's see the outside, eh? That's all, they're fresh. You can't get fresher than this, you know? Can't get fresher than this. Any mangrove right there now? Coming in and watch. Can't get fresher than this. Watch it. Yes. That is the best. There you go, mosquito.
Yeah. That was the closest long time. Yeah.
So here was the main entrance long time?
Yeah.
Alright.
That was the smallest gate.
We could pass there?
Yeah.
Alright. Main entrance, Felicity main entrance river a long time?
Yeah, that was this close long time, yeah.
Wow. So again, a little tour here, people.
Yeah.
Where we going, so? What is it, man? You river come back here?
Yeah, that was the salt of the
Back out.
Yeah.
On the Avia.